Hey, what's up? I am Tron Moses of Tron Moses Media, and today I got another video about the 24 to 70 millimeter 2.8 art lens. Let's talk about it. Now, I know some people are probably wondering why he's making another video about the art lens. Now, the last video I made about the 24 to 70, some people misunderstood. Like, one person tried to argue me down and go back and forth. First of all, let me tell you something. I never said I didn't like this lens. This is a good lens. The point I was making in that last video is I was saying was that this lens is going to be for weddings. I am mainly a prime lens shooter. I love shooting with primes. I don't mind, I don't want to zoom in and out during photo shoots. That's not my thing. But when it comes to weddings, I would prefer to be able to zoom in and out because you can only get so close to the bride and groom. But during the photo shoot, I don't mind moving my feet and adjusting like that and zooming in and out like that. But when it comes to the 24 to 70 millimeter, this is a fantastic lens. I tell anybody if you're looking for a zoom lens, a general purpose, this could be general purpose, get you the 24 to 70 millimeter. It's a great lens. It's sharp, just like all the other art lenses. It's contrasty. You'll be able to zoom. Now, I'm not a big fan of the 24 millimeter N because it introduces distortion and buildings start leaning, and then I gotta go in Photoshop. You could correct that. But like, as far as I really want to go is 35 millimeter. That's as wide as I really want to go. Like, this lens right here we shooting with right now. This is the 20 millimeter art lens. And this is wide. But if I was to shoot outside, and you could level your camera all you want, buildings are still going to be kind of like this, and kind of like that. And I know that looks silly, but it's a great lens. So my thing is not to use it for photo shoots, not to use it for that, but to use it, I would use it for events. I would use it for weddings. I have just used it for wedding decorations. Now, I wasn't the photographer for the wedding, but I was hired to take pictures of the decor. And I'm gonna show y'all some of that. And I've been wanting to come back and say something about this lens because one guy was like, why would you buy a lens you don't like? First of all, everybody don't rent lenses and try them out first. So it's going to be occasions where you buy stuff and then find out you don't like it afterwards. But I do like the lens. Please listen to what I'm saying, y'all. I do like this lens. I love this lens. This is a very good lens. It's right up there with all the other art lenses. Now, you know what I found? That my 35mm is actually way sharper than I thought it was. And really, I don't see no reason to upgrade to the new 35mm. One of these days, I might do the 35 1.2, but I kind of like being at the 1.4. And I'm going to tell you why. Because most of my lenses are 1.4. So when I change, I want to go from one 1.4 to another 1.4. I don't even like when I'm doing photo shoots and I got to go from a 1.4 to a 2.8. Because now I got to do adjusting. I like going from one 1.4 to another 1.4. And even with this lens, when I shot the wedding decorations, I took this lens, this 24 to 70 2.8, and I also took the 105 2.8 for closer, tighter shots, for macro shots. But they all look the same. There was no adjusting. So between those two lenses, I have the 2.8 that I need to cover for decorations or events or whatever. But all my other lenses are 1.4. Even all my video lenses are 1.4. And I love the 1.4. I love that. Because as I said, I don't have to do adjusting in the camera. I don't have to do none of that. Because when you go from 1.4 to 2.8, there's a totally different look. But anyway, I just wanted to tell y'all that I love this lens. That's all I wanted to say about this. I love this lens. Do I recommend this lens? I recommend this lens. And by the way, this has nothing to do with the lens, but check out this new chair my wife put together for me. I was about to say she bought it, but she didn't buy it. I bought it. She put it together for me. I came home one day. Did I come home or did I wake up? I don't remember, but she put the chair together for me. So, all right, y'all, I'm Tron Moses at Tron Moses Media. I'll catch y'all in the next video.